Hey guys, it's your girl Shella, PromoSTK, Shella's Creations Way, and I have my niece and my nephew, my king and Harmony, and they're doing the 5 dinosaur pllots in 2 minutes, created by Marquise Hilson. Oh yeah, it's a challenge, and it was created again by Marquise Hilson. It's a warning because it's savage. It's a savage challenge, y'all. I want y'all to root my niece and nephew on. They are 5 and 7 years old. Give them some love, show them some love, and let them do this challenge, y'all. Come on now, show them some love. Team Harmony or Team My King? What's up, everybody? This your girl Shella and
My King, Harmony.
And they're going to be doing the Marquise Hilson's challenge. It is the 5 pullets, which is the plums, in 2 minutes, but they're going to be doing 3 in 2 minutes. Yay! So, let's get this party started. So, Team My King, Team Harmony. Which one are y'all going to pick? My King is 7 and Harmony is 5. They're going to do this challenge. So, y'all ready?
Yes.
All right, let's get this party started. I'm going to hit the button. All right, you guys, so I'm going to press the start button and they're going to get started. Go. Come on, Jay. Come on, Harmony. Come on, Harmony. Let's get it. Woo! All right, come on. Y'all can do it. Is it good? Ooh, all right, my king down 1. Come on, Harmony. All right, come on, Harmony. We know Harmony don't have many teeth in her mouth, but she getting it. Come on, my king. Uh-oh, I think my king gonna get this one. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Come on, Harmony, you can do it. You gotta get some more off that bone, my king. Yes, y'all can do this. All right, that's good. Come on, let's get it. Let's see who gonna become champion of the world. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. If y'all want to do this challenge, it's challenge again by Marquise Hilson. It is the pluots, which is a form of plum. You in 2 minutes, you eat 5 in 2 minutes. These little ones are doing 3 in 2 minutes. Oh, get countdown. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Oh, you gotta finish chewing it. Can't be nothing in your mouth. 5. Come on now. 4. Come on. Get it. 3. 1. All right. Well, my king, you're the champion. You won. Woo! Yay. Harmony, you did really good. You had 2. Woohoo! Yay! Y'all out there in YouTube world, our family, y'all root them on. Show them some love. Let's hear it. PromoSTK. PromoSTK.
Shell's Creation Way.
PromoSTK.
Shell's Creation Way. Eat it good in the neighborhood. Eat it good in the neighborhood. Eat it good in the neighborhood. Eat it good.
Y'all did awesome. Auntie's so proud of y'all, babies. Woohoo!
Kick. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it.